He's dead right there. Out strutting in that field. Got right here to this log jam, sat down back behind it, and I gave him just a few clucks with the charcoal, and they basically ran over here. Just a tom and a hen. It's raining now. We're gonna go check them out. That's where I was sitting, right back in there, so they could not see me. They were right up in that field, and they worked right down that creek. And he popped his head up right here. Heck yeah, it's a nice bird. Done for. Pop his head up and I'll put it right on it. Not a monster beard, but boy, he's got some big old legs on him. That's a good beard. Hell yeah, look at that redhead, man. First day of season, April 6th, Oklahoma.